Currently now we are in the Dynatrace home page. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough how to install an agent on Windows host. So using the search bar, we need to navigate to the deploy OneAgent page. Yeah, so here I'll go with the Windows OS. We need to, the first step is to create a token and select the monitoring mode. Here I'll go with full stack. You can select the network zone as per your choice, if your organization is using a network zone. Take a test host group. You can define the tags, and the next thing is currently this log monitoring is by default enabled. If you want, you can disable it, but I'm keeping the log monitoring for now. So based on the inputs that we have given, like monitoring mode, network zone, and host group, these two commands are auto generated. The first one is the download command and the other is the installer. So we can copy both the commands onto your notepad. So we need to execute these commands on the servers where our applications are hosted and where we need to enable the monitoring. So here I have copied both the commands onto a notepad which we need to execute, and I have logged into my Windows server, and as you can see here, I have first created a temporary folder on my C drive where I have executed the first command, first PowerShell command, which is the download command. This command downloads the OneAgent file, and as you can see below, the OneAgent has been downloaded. Post that, we need to run the installer command as highlighted here. This command installs the agent on our server. We can check the deployment status from the deployment status page. Yeah, here we can see our Windows host, which is discovered by Dynatrace with the help of OneAgent. There are few processes which require a restart to display all the metrics. Page we have the Windows host, which is displaying all the metrics, all the inframetrics, CPU, memory, disk usage. Currently we have only few data points as it is the monitoring has just started. Here we can see the list of process that has been discovered. We have the network metrics as well, which are discovered by the agent. And since we have log monitoring enabled on the host, this is where we have the logs extracted from various log sources. So do let me know in the comments if you have if you have any queries regarding installation, or if you have faced any difficulty during the installation of the agent, so I can address those.